Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. Well, nice volatility from crypto space in general, especially on Bitcoin. So I think the best thing we can do here is just to start with Bitcoin as usual. So I'll go and look at this one. It's the overview one. You can see the range is still well respected, nothing to complain about. We tested 78.6, we bounced a little bit here. A lot of people will say, well, straight to 52. Okay, but let's close below the range first. You can see we didn't accept below the range, below 60k. We tested the level, took some liquidity, and then back a little bit higher. $1,000 higher than 60k is still above 60. Let's not think like beginners or influencers. Well, everything will go down now. Let's play the range. If the range will fail and we'll have 52, then okay, then we can reassess. That will give us some fields on some altcoins. But even on altcoins, you cannot squeeze a lemon indefinitely. Yeah. So altcoins, they already squeezed up. Even if Bitcoin will hit 52, altcoins, yeah, will dump, will make a new low probably, but they'll recover really fast. Yeah. We are in the summertime, and now from 61 to 52, it's a $9,000 move. Well, it's not the same like Bitcoin dropping from 70k when everyone was bullish. People are expecting a drop now, so the drop will not be too big on altcoins. I think it's better, let's take a look at what we have on weekly on this chart. Well, we are trying to confirm this EM. Yeah. If we'll close the week below the 61,500, well, look at the nice EM. Similar with McDonald's, similar with whatever you want to call it. I just call it double top. And I was speaking about this one from a long time ago. Morning Rocco, morning Bova, morning Stefan, Hania. If you have requests, please type in the chat and I'll gladly take a look. Okay, so McDonald's here, well, even if we'll have the McDonald's pattern here and we'll test 51, 52, maybe even 44, that doesn't change the fact that we are in 2024 and is the buy the dip year. Yeah, it's not a selling opportunity that EM. That EM, it's maybe a hedging opportunity, maybe. Maybe it's pay attention time to buy lower. Will be a gift to see Bitcoin at 44. I don't know, level by level. We have a small support at 52 and then 44 and then a bit lower. But anyway, doesn't matter how low Bitcoin will go. If it will hold above 25 on weekly basis, we are still bullish. It's that simple. This McDonald's pattern, okay, will give us an opportunity to buy cheap altcoins. The public will capitulate, will go and do something else and will say, well, crypto is a scam. But the same people will come back close to the top, asking every one of you what to buy at what level. Well, that's how the market is working. Someone has to capitulate to sell you the bottom, yeah, so you can buy the coins, and someone else have to buy the top from you. You just have to be that guy. You just have to be careful to buy the bottom and sell the top. Not the other way around. Yeah? Every one of us at some point in time was a beginner. Some of you still are. Maybe you'll learn faster. And we capitulate at the bottom and we bought the top. Not the case anymore. At least not on Crypto Traders Arena. Okay. Let's see what we have on this chart. Now, you can see this is the best overview on daily I have. You can see 52 here. We can accept lower. The range is well defined. Even this big M on a daily chart produced a 2-to-1 here. And shark setup here, again, a 2-to-1. The best range play on swing trading part. I'm not speaking here about day trading, just swing trading. Nice and clean and well respected levels. You cannot ask more than that from Bitcoin. Okay, let's go back and let's see what we have at this point in time. Not weekly, let's stay on daily. If you remember, I put the chart here and I put the 78.6. Now you can understand why I didn't want to keep the mountain man here. You can see what happened. Straight to 78.6. Took the liquidity, too much liquidity here. If you remember yesterday, we discussed candle body lows for trade location. And look at that on the dot. We bounced, but don't kid yourself. For the moment, on daily chart, for the moment, this is just a dead cat bounce. We need more price action. We need a clear W here to say, okay, we have a W and we'll push back at the middle of the range. For the moment, this is just a dead cat bounce. Bitcoin could drop any moment and lose the range. It's that simple. Indicators, well, on daily you don't see anything. Nothing. Let's do a 4-hour chart. Well, on 4-hour chart, similar thing. I don't see bullish divergence. So if I want the range, the daily range to hold, I'll prefer to see in the drop here a bullish divergence, at least in one of the indicators. I don't see it on RSI, I don't see it on OBV. So for the moment, this one is just a dead cat bounce. If you'll get lucky and will test 62, 63 and will give me 1-to-1 risk to reward, I'll move my stop to scratch, or at least I'll move my stop at the week low here. I don't want to risk too much on that one. In the same time, we are short and we should stay short. That's a different approach. That's for hedging our spot portfolio. Okay, now that's the overview on Bitcoin. Let's see the overview on Ethereum. Well, kind of similar. Kind of similar here, you can see. We touched 61.8. We bounced, but look at daily. I don't think daily is looking bullish now. And we said yesterday, 3,200 is like a magnet, maybe a bit below. So let's think about that. Let's wait a little bit here. I think here at 78.6 we have a chance for Ethereum to reverse. If Bitcoin will lose the level, we'll probably stop a little bit here. If will give us a nice setup here, okay, we can play something. But until then, on daily, no. I don't want to play anything. I want to wait a little bit. You saw the drop yesterday. Strong, we lost the levels on Bitcoin. Altcoins and Ethereum hold really strong. That was the first dump. But when the second dump will come, usually altcoins and Ethereum will get a bigger drop than Bitcoin. Maybe this time is different. Maybe they are squeezed a little bit too much and they don't want to drop anymore. But usually in the second drop, we get uglier on altcoins. Indicators, nothing on daily. Let's see 4-hour chart. Nothing special here. But I have to admit, nice bounce from 61.8. Really nice one. On 4-hour chart, you can see. We tested 61.8 and well respected level we bounced. But at the same time, if you look left, we accepted below this house level, support and resistance, and now we are testing that level from the other side. It's still a bearish retest. So look at 4-hour chart on Ethereum. Lower highs, lower lows, nothing special. Hold a little bit stronger than Bitcoin, but still a downtrend. Okay, Bitcoin dominance behaved really nice yesterday, and you can see AB equals CD already completed here. Yeah, we rejected second time from the short reload zone, and we pushed lower. Now we have to think daily chart. We have kind of a support here. If you look left, 54 was a good support. We formed, we bounced here, V bottomed here. We did a inverse head and shoulder. I think we'll bounce from here. I'm not saying new highs, but I could see a bounce on 4-hour chart and price, the chart going back at 55, even 56 here, back in the short reload zone. If you remember, we said that this is a new range, well respected new range. Yeah, so something like this. Now we're at the bottom. We can make a W on 4-hour chart and we can push higher. So thinking range even on Bitcoin dominance. It's just my 2 cents, my way of trading. That doesn't mean I'm right or I'm wrong. It's just my way of trading, and it's profitable for me. Morning Ken. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance. Here I'm expecting a bounce on 4-hour chart. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, we pushed back in the short reload zone. We can form a double top, or we can do an AB equals CD. I don't have an advantage. I will assume that we'll form a double top here. I'll be honest. I could see a double top here and back down. But the market could prove me wrong, and we can do an AB equals CD. You can see some W's here. Bot setup already. I think it's more than the bot setup. Let's see. Let's just see that. Bot 1, 33. Okay, that's valid. Well, I think we have a clear bot setup here. Clear one. Yeah. You can see 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows. Even an LJ here maybe. But it's a clear bot setup. It's on daily. I'm not playing daily bots, but the setup could be there. I'm still thinking double top and go back down. Okay, DXY. Well, exactly in the support and resistance, and we discussed it yesterday and Sunday in the weekly crypto review. Yeah, between these 3 levels. This is the middle, the bottom, and the top. It's a nice range here, and we can stay the entire summer here. Just my 2 cents. Yeah, I could see the AB equals CD, but the AB equals CD could take a long period of time until we'll complete. So for the moment on daily, we are exactly at the support and resistance here, 105.5. We are fighting that level. And we are fighting that level from some time now. Okay, we did the overview on weekly. Nice volatility. We discussed the overview on what we have on daily and 4-hour chart. I think we know that we can trade today. We don't have big and important news. Let's see what we have on 4-hour chart. Let's go on lower time frame. Let's think about it. Okay, this is a dead cat bounce. Okay, was a nice SFU here. Well, a bit too much for my taste. But what we can hope here? Well, if the market is not too weak, we can hope for a bounce here. A retest of 38.2. That'll be a really nice window to short again. A Wyckoff check here will be like a gift for us to add to our position or to put a new short. I don't know if we'll have the strength to push higher. It's still $2,000 higher. For long, okay, thinking range. Give me a W here. Give me something to work on. If you want to take the 3-bar fractal, I don't know. You should take the 61,600 and stop loss at 58,200. It's too much. So I'll prefer a W here to make me bullish. What I don't like that I don't have anything on the indicators. That makes me think it's just a dead cat bounce. Hopefully we'll get this level. If I'll see this level today in the New York, in London or New York, then okay, I could short again. For the moment, I'm just waiting. I could scalp on the short side with Holy Grail. I could do some things, but nothing else. Okay, Ethereum. Similar thing. You can see this was like a diamond pattern. We broke to the downside and we are testing this big yam. Okay. If we'll push higher and we'll form, I don't know, an yam again, then we can short again. For a long, we don't have a good location, let's be honest. We Wyckoff checked this level. If you remember this level, we discussed it. Yeah. Nice bounce, but it's just a bounce, nothing else. Look left and you can see the resistance above. Good morning, Andre. So, nice reaction. First drop on Bitcoin. Second drop on Bitcoin, I don't know. Will not be so nice for Ethereum. Yeah, we can hope we'll never get the second dump, but it's Tuesday. Remember that. Yesterday was just Monday. So today is Tuesday. We can get at least an SFU of the lows. Solana. Well, you can see trend line. Give me a clear W and we can play around. For the moment, clear downtrend. We don't have a trade here. You can go on lower time frame and try to do something, but no. You can draw, the best thing you can do is draw a trend channel and try to play the short side on Solana. Yeah, okay, I'm thinking July. I'm thinking altcoin, mini altcoin season, bounce or something. But I want a clear W. I want a clear setup on 4-hour chart for me to become bullish. Now, give me a clear setup and we can play around. Until then, I'll wait. Either I'll get my W, either I'll get my clear setup, or I'll wait. I tried a couple of times and is not working to catch falling knives. You have to be extra careful. I could do it for my account, but I don't have time to manage it and post it on Discord in time. It's that simple. So, looking at Solana here, I don't think we'll go anywhere. It's just a dead cat bounce. I don't think we'll go anywhere without SFU in this level. 118 and maybe even lower. And if you want to play the SFU here, play the reclaim, please. Just wait for the drop. Okay, take the liquidity, and when you see a close above, on lower time frame of course, then you can take a long. BNB is just behaving nice and clean. Nice shorting opportunity here. Nice one. Now back in the long reload zone, back at the support. Let's see if this one will hold. I don't see the W yet. I know a lot of people say, well, you said the altcoin season, you said July. Okay, I said it, but give me a setup. I could have an opinion. I could tell you what I think, but my plan says to play only setups. I don't have a setup yet. Doge, similar thing. You can see is trying to stop bleeding to the downside. You can see some bullish divergence on MACD, some bullish divergence on RSI. OBV, no. OBV, it's a bit uglier than everything else. Even the price action is stronger than the OBV. So, until I'll see a clear W on Doge, I'm not touching it. Yesterday we said that this one looks a bit bullish than the rest. You can see it's with yellow, so we should pay attention. Well, you can see what happened. Pretty strong in my opinion, no? Nice, touch 61.8, nice W, but ugly location. It's testing this level. We can form a W here and push higher. Yeah, we can. 2 to 1 will be in the short reload zone again. Nothing special. Range play. Play the range game. Nothing unusual here. I'll take this big W on 4 hour chart. No, it's not on my taste. It's less than, or maybe a 2 to 1 and not enough. The time frame is too big. I don't like it. I just don't like the window of risk, let's be honest. Matic, similar. So everything looks similar now. Dimension, SFU, and at least is trying to do something. You can see the bullish divergence on RSI, MACD, even on OBV. Yeah. So this one, that's why I put it yesterday with yellow, looks a bit different, looks a bit stronger. We just need a clear W here. Maybe wait for a breakout and the retest, but you can see the difference between Matic and Dimension, no? On the indicator side. Alt, well, similar thing, but until I'll see a W, nothing I can do. Joe, yeah? On Joe, you know, 88.6, this is, I don't know, if you want to trade this one, okay, but you can invest in this one pretty safely. Keep in mind, this is at 88.6. And I don't think it's from the all-time high. Let me check on the price action. 1 second. Well, it is from the all-time high. So we are at 88.6 from the all-time high, and you can see something. If you zoom out, you'll see something interesting here. This is kind of the weekly W, and this is the breakout level, the neckline. You can see someone said, well, if the market will get close to this level, I want to buy it. I think we are more than safe to buy it here. We can get a double pretty easily. Let's go back on 4 hour chart. Pixel, similar thing. Doesn't look great. But if I'll see a W, I'll take the retest. Manta, similar. Pyth, similar. Well, this could be called a W on higher time frame. Let's see 12 hours. It's a W? Well, it kind of is. You don't have the bullish divergence on higher time frame anymore. But you can see, nice location, and we have a W. Here we can think about an LJ. So I could see some setups setting up. Some of them. Some altcoins will form something nice. But it's a bit too early. Nice reaction from Jupiter here, but I don't think Jupiter has enough strength to push higher. Will bleed to the downside. Let me show you one. This AB equals CD is showing me lower levels. Here we don't have too much support. Look left, just a little bit. The big support and big volume, it's at 50 cents. And we are a bit higher than that. I don't think we'll become bullish again without touching 50 cents. And you remember when this one was new, shiny and new, we discussed about 50 cents level. Yeah? And we discussed it, we saw that is accumulating here. Morning, Bukur. Aevo. Well, this is one of my favorites at the moment on higher time frame. I'll be honest. And I'll put it with yellow. Yeah, it's one of my favorites. It's strong and I like it. I could see a double pretty easily back at $1. I don't have, for the moment, I don't have a clear W. But something will set up on this one. You can see this is the LJ. I was waiting. And I will wait. Probably will go sideways. And will form a W at some point. And I'll be being honest. I'll take 1% risk or maybe even more if I'll see an LJ. Here. I like the level. I really like the level on this one. All the coins in the market. Yeah, kind of big number of coins. 1 trillion, I guess. But everything is in the market. We don't have to wait for unlocks for anything. So we kind of priced in the number of coins. And I could see $1, I could see $2, I could see even back testing the highs at $4. I could see 10 times higher than that in the top of the market. So buying at 50 cents here, seeing that it's trying to form a bottom, I don't think it's a bad idea. But it's up to you. For the moment, I don't have a setup here. It's kind of making a higher volatility, kind of a megaphone. I don't like that. Not, well, if you remember about not, well, just Wyckoff check this level. This level wasn't tested. And now they just test that level. Now, you can see. Test the level and bounce. Look left, well, now we are at the resistance. I don't suggest you to buy here. You can wait for a clear W, or you can do something like this. You can see the M, you can see the trend line. Well, okay, we are bullish. Give me a W the other side of the trend line. If it will be lower in the long reload zone, even better. And we talked about this chart. Guys, if you have any requests, please type in the chat and we'll gladly take a look. Yeah. Eyes on Bitcoin dominance. I could see a bounce here on 4-hour chart today. Yeah, it's Tuesday. Remember that yesterday was just the first day of the week, and they priced in a little bit from the weekend, the bad news and everything. Let's see what will happen. But with a capitulation at 52 or without a capitulation at 52, we are getting in July. We are getting in that season where usually we get a bounce. A lot of, in my opinion, a lot of coordinated attacks on crypto. Yeah, Mountain Gox, everything is bearish now on Bitcoin. Nothing is working anymore in the same fucking week. Looks like someone is trying to push it lower, to capitulate, to do something. Maybe it's just my opinion. Altcoins, they're already down at the lows. Someone is trying to get that week to the downside, to retest some levels. Why? I don't know. Think by yourself. Okay. Let's see, Ellen, you said about MTL. Let's see. Why not? We still have a couple of minutes. Well, I'll look at spot and I'll start with weekly. You know me. Well, okay, you have a location if you are thinking overall chart. But I'll be honest, I don't know what this one does. But the first problem I have, the opportunity, okay, we can get a max 10x until the all-time high. Hold really nice. I don't like the fact that is pumping and dumping. This is not a good sign, at least not for me. It's okay, you can get easy shots, but I don't like this kind of behavior. Up and down, up and down. Someone is taking advantage and is selling. But in the same time, you are at 88.6. Nobody could say it's not a good level to invest, or dollar cost average, or whatever you want. We can see the lows again, half of the price, 50% lower. Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can see that. If Bitcoin will drop to, I don't know, 52 lower, you can see 50 cents on this one. If for you it's a buying opportunity, you know the fundamentals, you like the coin, why not? Okay, let's take a look at daily. Well, it's bouncing. Yeah, you can see it's bouncing in this level here is like a resistance now. Indicators, well, some volume here. Someone is buying. 4-hour chart. Well, look at the OBV. I don't think you like the OBV here. So, okay. You had the opportunity here, but here is not a good thing. On 4-hour chart, this W, you can take the W, but I just don't like the price action here. Maybe it's just me. 1 hour. Don't sell it because it's not the time to sell altcoins. I don't see a trade here. I'll be honest. I don't see a trade. Well, okay. You had some volume here, yeah. But look at here. You are in bearish divergence already here in the last move up. I don't like that. I think this was the pump and the slow bleeding or the dump is coming, and at least $1. I don't see the trade here. I'll be honest, Ellen. I just don't see it. Okay. I don't like to take a trade here. You can see OBV is all over the place. Yeah, you had a candle someone bought, but if it's the classic accumulation and smart money, a guy said, okay, I have some money, let's buy, and bought a big amount. Okay, that guy bought, and we'll look at this coin for 1 year from now. Yeah, that produced this pump, and now eco pump and dumping. Look left and you'll see the same fucking pattern. You can see big pump, sideways, dumping, big pump, dumping. I don't like that behavior, and I suspect that will be the case. If you want to buy this one, well, why not? 1 hour, doesn't matter. Draw the long reload zone from here to here. Come on. It doesn't want to give me. Okay, I'll do it this one. Same level. Sorry, guys. So that's my thing. Wait here. If you see a new W setting up again, you can buy it. But here, no, I don't like it. Thank you, Bukor. Well, that's MTL. I'm not saying it's a bad coin. I just don't like the pump and dumps on them. It's that simple. Some of them, they frequently do that. And you have to learn this pattern on altcoins. You will see a pump and you will see a dump, and you'll say, okay, let's draw a fib and I'll take the 61.8. Well, it doesn't work that way. If nobody is buying anymore, will slowly bleed, and you have to be really patient and wait a long period of time until the next pump will form. Okay, guys. I blabbed away half an hour. Stefan will probably do the day trading with Stefan in half an hour. So watch out for that. Stefan will post the link if it will be the case. If not, we'll hear us again, premium members, in the New York session. The rest of you, tomorrow morning at the same hour, we'll do the same live stream and we'll look at the market. You can play the range Monday low and Monday high if you like it. Stefan, I think, will talk more about that in the live stream. Okay, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.